Hello there, it's Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you a great thing you guys need to pay attention. So if you are into cryptocurrency, crypto trading and all, I think this is something you need to take note or you need to pay attention. Elon Musk just endorsed Dogecoin, and I know he's been endorsing some apps and all, and whatever he recommends is very cool. So I think this is the time you guys need to pay attention to this, and everyone need to try it out. Because myself, I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try Dogecoin out and see how it's gonna be, because I heard it's just flying up high to the moon, and he tweeted about it. He just posted this picture, meaning trying to show us how Dogecoin is flying up high to the moon. So I think this is something we need to pay attention. We need to look at. A lot of people are retweeting, and then Dogecoin is really trending. So if you want to know more about it, just go online, search on how Dogecoin works, and then how you're going to be able to invest. And I'm going to come out to you with new applications which can help you to trade on Dogecoin, create accounts on Dogecoin and all. So if you want to know more, just stick around. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and then like this video and share it to anyone, and then catch you in the next one.